It is me, Markov Yuri. Today, I will talk about the farting and pooting sound effect it's from a video called at SHU by hashtag by TTU by number dash effort. That video was uploaded 1 month ago on October 16. The duration of the sound effect is 152 to 22. The lo-fi music will be removed at the beginning and end. Now I will preview this sound effect. It sounds like this. See, this is how the farting and pooping sound effect sounds like. This sound is only used when I poop in. I think I have to go poop. I have to use the bathroom real quick. I feel so much better. Remember kids, you know what to do. When you need to go to the bathroom, just use this sound effect. It starts at 150 and ends at 222. Make sure you remove the lo-fi music at the beginning and end.